Here's new interesting apps called Medial, Startup News and Tech. So it's kind of like Indian Twitter app focused on startup news and tech and promotions. So you can just open it up and there are a lot of just different news. Like, if you're interested in conversation with founders, not only in India, but also around the world, like you want to pitch your startup, check out your idea, find co-founders, and also just, like Twitter focused on tech. This is kind of the app, and then you have all the news in here, and then you also can showcase your idea. So that's the idea. You can see different new apps in here, kind of like product hunt, and then you can also search for different users, posts, articles, and then you have notifications, and that's basically the idea. So that's what it is. Then you have chats, messaging not available. You need to first to fill out your profile, but that's basically the idea in here. That's the app. Kind of growing in the charts. If you're interested in these tech startup communities, you can just try it out.